Hello everybody, welcome back to Diamond Paints with Mike, and today we have a Temu package. Now, I just want to say before we get into this, I have managed to get this for 1p. I could not believe it, but you need to check your messages section. So we're in here, as you can see, it will say promotions. Okay, you see that there? Now what you need to do is you need to check this regularly. It tends to change every night and you can only use it once a night. So for example here, they've given me a discount card and also a gift box. So if I accept that, it will come up something like that and it will knock her price down. Okay, now they're doing a thing at the moment where you get, I think it's like 3 discount cards, as you can see. So I can pick any one I like, so for example this, and as you can see, if I was to pick, I don't know, this one here for example, it will knock the price down. Okay, they then do it again. So for example, in a minute, as you can see, it drops again. So you need to ensure that you keep checking that promotions thing. Now I'm not going to do that at the moment because as you can see here, I've got another one and it says open up a gift box, and it means that I can select 4 things and get obviously a discount. Look at that, 104, 184. There's loads of different kids. Oh my god, what is that? Dish towels? Oh wow. Okay, as you can see, my basket is full at the moment, so I'm going to just screenshot that so that I can, because I can't add it to the basket. But you need to ensure you keep checking them, because I got this for 1p and it's one that I've wanted quite a while, and I'll give you a clue, it just showed it in that picture. So can you guess what it might be? Now, I've wanted this for some time. It is a special, and I still can't get over that this was 1p. This is the second time I've had a painting that was 1p, and in here, can you guess what it is? Oh, it's a bit bent. But in here, I love it. I can't tell if it's winter or Christmas, but I'm assuming it's Christmas related. But in here, did you just see it on that little picture that I showed you? It is in fact that gorgeous deer. And look at these shimmy drills. Wow, look at this. And there we go, people, 30. Oh, this is lovely. Look at that. It's got that icy blue effect. This is stunning, and what I love about this deer is it's got all these lovely hanging ornaments on the antlers here. It's absolutely beautiful. It's like she's wearing earrings. It's just absolutely fantastic. Nice wintry cold icy feel to it, and look at all the flowers down there. So this is not going to take long at all. I think we could probably get this done in one session. I mean, it's so much you know, that is partial that there's not going to be an awful lot to do. I think round here is really going to shimmer. It's giving you the vibe like it's a necklace or something. But as you can see, seeing all the bits that we've got here and just a little bit down here, I think we can do this in one. But for 1p, I cannot get over how I got this for 1p. Stick isn't too bad, but as you can see, if we was to go to my orders here, I will just get my order up. Yeah, I literally got this. Look at that. I cannot get over that. Literally got that. 1p. 1p! I just can't believe it. But yeah, as I say, if you don't shop with Temu, say for like a week or so, they do tend to entice you back with offers. And I think this is the first time I've placed an order for about 2 weeks. I've been so like digging around the range stuff at the moment, but yeah, I'm so happy with this. We've got ourselves our boat pen and wax there, and let's put this to one side so we can show you the drills. This is going to be such a beautiful one to do. Yeah, so yeah, so do check your messages. You must check them each night. I think it's capped to 1 per night, but I always check the promotions, and I'm glad I did because they're doing some really good promotions at the moment. So in here, it's not, but wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 7 packs here. So it's a nice short one. We got a silver and a sort of, this is a shimmery silver. As you can see, it's got like little shimmery bits on it. We've got a light icy blue. I love that colour. We got another sort of middle-sized blue, which is near enough the same as that. We've got some rainbow sort of coloured marquees there. This gorgeous pearly white. Look at that. Oh wow. And then we've got a silver marquee. So as you can see, this is not going to take long to do at all. Look at that. Just absolutely stunning. I'm so glad I got this 1p. I cannot believe it. But as I say, once again, do make sure you're checking your promotions. You never know, you might get a good bargain there. Thank you very much for watching. I'll put the link for this in the description of the video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tap that notification bell to be alerted of the next video. And I will see you soon for more Temu unboxings. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.